This is just a quick video to show you how to duplicate policies that are stored in Drata to a service like SharePoint. If we have a look at my SharePoint here, I only have one file. If I just do a refresh, it's this acceptable use policy.docx that was modified in November 2024. If we come over to make.com, I'm using make.com as a no-code editor rather than writing some code. You can of course build this as custom code, but what we're doing here is we're calling the Drata API to get the policy ID, and then generate a download URL. We then parse the data return, so this will return data like this. So we get a signed URL and then a link to the PDF. We're then parsing that data to then tell make to download that file. And then once we've got that, I'm using make to then post that file or publish that file, write it into SharePoint. So this is very simple. It's taken me a couple of minutes to get this built up. But if we click run once here, we'll see it will run through this. It's downloaded the file. It's now uploaded it. This all looks like it's been successful. If I come back to SharePoint and I refresh the page, we can see here we have a file.pdf, which was modified a few seconds ago. And if we open it up, we can see it's the acceptable use policy that we saw over in Drata. Now you can see here, this is just named file.pdf. That's just because that's the way the file is outputted out of Drata. But what we can do, upload it, we could have mapped this, and then we could have modified the file name there. So we can do some extra API calls to make sure we've got the correct file name when we post it. But this is just a quick sample on how to copy policies from Drata into SharePoint using make.com.